Today I'm going to show you how to properly and safely clean your MacBook laptop. These instructions are actually from the Apple website, so please be very careful. Don't get any moisture in the openings, okay? So this is like my PSA warning to you, but we took these directions directly from the Apple website. You're gonna need a Lysol or Clorox wipe and a clean, lightly damp cloth and a polish cloth. Now start by disinfecting the keyboard with a Lysol wipe. Do not forget to get in the crack between the screen and the keyboard. Now grab your damp cloth and wipe down the screen and your keyboard. To make things a little easier so you're not pushing too hard on your screen, flip the laptop and use your polish cloth to shine up your screen. This screen was really dirty and we had to repeat these steps a couple of times. They didn't tell me whose laptop this is, but it's definitely filthy and it's definitely somebody who works here. Now grab your Lysol wipe again and disinfect the outside of the laptop. And then follow with your damp cloth and your polish cloth. This is just going to stop any streaks happening and just make it shiny and brand new again. Don't forget the sides and underneath. Just be careful not to let any moisture into the openings or ports. You have to be super careful here, you guys. Now look at how dirty this Lysol wipe is. Somebody needs to be fired. Just kidding, but look how beautiful and clean this is now. This is your reminder to do it more than once every few months, and you touch your keyboard every single day, you guys. Also, PSA, wash your hands, please. Thanks, bye.